All right, we're on 6.5, part 2 of your notes, and what we're going to do is we're going to graph the solution to a system of inequalities. For a system of inequalities, of linear inequalities, the solution of the system is the intersection of the solutions. Is the intersection of the inequalities. It is where the shaded regions cross. All right, so right now you're going to need a pink highlighter and a blue highlighter. Go grab one right now. And maybe even a green highlighter. But let's go ahead and plot our red line first. All right. So if you look here, it's going to be a solid line because I got that equal to on there. I'm going to start at 2. So I'm going to plot 2. I'm going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And then this is going to be a solid line. All right. So there we go. Solid line. And it's less than, so I'm going to shade below. Okay. Now, with the systems of solutions for systems of linear equations, it just means we got 2 on the same graph. So now I'm going to do the blue one. I'm going to start off at positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There I am at 4, and I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. And I can plot my graph. Right here though, look, see, it is a greater than. There's no equal to. So this one's going to have to be dashed. Okay, and it's greater than, so I'm going to shade above the blue line. So my solution is where both the pink and the blue overlap. And that's going to be right here. Where the pink and blue overlap, that is my solution. Right there. See that? Let's try another example. Example 2. So I got my red. We're going to go ahead and graph that. Starting with your y-intercept. -2, starting with the -2. And then looking at the slope, if there's nothing in front of x, it's a 1. So I'm going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And then I got my line, and I'm looking, what kind of line is it? It's a solid line, because my greater than, there's a line under it, equal to, that's going to be a solid line. And then it's greater than, so I'm going to shade above. And you just do a quick scribble, nothing fancy. Now, time for blue. Crosses at 2. 1, 2. And then my slope is a -1. My slope right here is -1, right? So I'm going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Always to the right, guys. Down 1 to the right, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And this one is going to be dashed. See, there's no line under there. So there's no line under my greater than inequality, so it's going to be dashed. So now it's y is greater than. So I'm going to shade above the blue line. Where the pink and the blue cross, that's my solution. Where the pink and blue overcross, that is my solution. I'm going to do one more example with you. And then you're going to be on your own, and I'll help you out. Just call me over. But I'm going to plot my y-intercept first. Down 3. And then my slope, if there's nothing in front of x, your slope is 1. So I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Solid line. right? Solid line, because it's greater than or equal to. So when you got a greater than or equal to, it's going to be a solid line. Whereas this blue line I'm about to make, that's going to be dashed. So let's go back to the pink real quick. This is y is less than. So I'm going to shade underneath the line for less than. Blue is going to be less than as well, but I got to plot it. So starting at 1, going down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And again, it's going to be dashed because it's less than, and that's it. There's no equal to. Dashed blue line, dashed blue line, and I'm shading below that line. Below, because it's less than, below. So where they cross, where the pink and blue cross, there is your solution. Down here, this is my solution right down here. Okay, so you have some practice with that. If you're getting stuck, call me over, I'll help you out. Good luck. And then after this, you're going to be on to 10.1. Good luck.